Well, good afternoon, fellow Rotarians. Super excited to be a member of this club. For those who I have not met personally, I'm Alphonso Westley. I've been a member since January of this year. I am a true New Englander, and I was raised in the city of Boston. As you can see, when the Patriots play the Steelers, my house becomes divided between me and my husband, Randy. I've lived in 7 states and South Africa, so excuse me, I do not have a Boston accent. I'm the youngest of 3 children, but have a very large extended family. Since my grandparents thought it'd be cool to have 15 kids. I was an uncle at 11, and my oldest living relative at the time was 101 years old and lived with my grandmother. Because of this span in generations, I was able to experience the reality of what vulnerability looked like in relation to delivering care services. I offered no-cost childcare services to my eldest sibling at 11 as an uncle, and assisted my great aunt who lived with my grandmother with her meals periodically. And if you can't tell already, service for me started very, very, very young. So this quote from Gandhi has stuck with me since a very early age. How a society treats its most vulnerable is always a measure of its humanity. I won't get into politics, however, I believe it's our responsibility to take care of the most vulnerable individuals in our community. So my career, uncoincidentally, began in service in my sophomore year at Boston University. I served as an AmeriCorps member for 2 years and managed a volunteer mentor program at a community-based organization in Boston called Passport to College. This program was designed through the No Child Left Behind Act in the early 2000s, lots of money for that program. High school students were paired with college grads and current college students who were assisting them with getting their passport stamps, which in reality were milestones to achieve before matriculating from high school and being accepted to a college or university, such as SAT prep, financial aid planning, and such. As I entered my senior year in undergrad, I began working at the Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston as the manager of patient relations and volunteer services. This experience quickly brought me back to my love for honoring my elders. And I won't get into theology, but honoring is honoring. And sometimes that's monetary, right? So some of us in society know what that means as we take care of our parents and sometimes bring them into our own homes. This experience quickly brought me into my master's program where I focused on healthcare administration. And my love for serving older adults became my passion and shifted my career into senior living, which is why I am currently in DC and have lived here now for the past 7 years.